Hi, my name is Nafia. I'm from iWave Global, working as a software developer. So today we'll be looking into unboxing of iWave's G43A Fiber SmartNIC 400G. So this is the rugged box in which we have placed our G43 SmartNIC. Our SmartNIC comes inside the rugged case. So this is a thank you note that we'll be delivering inside the case. So it contains details of sales support and the website ID, so that you can go and visit and have a detailed look into what are the different products we'll be delivering. So after the thank you note, we have a rugged foam. So after the rugged foam is removed, you can see this iWave SmartNIC, the power adapters as well as the power cable. So these accessories will be provided as per demand or on request. This is a G43 card. Once the packaging is removed, so as this is a soft-based approach, it is powered by Altera's Agilex 7 R31A. Here we can see Gen5 X16 PCIe finger. Here we have the QSFP cages, we have user LEDs, we also have debug interfaces, 2 in number. Here you can see the power adapter connector. Here we can have RJ45. It also has 3 DDR banks. Here we can see the NVMe slots, and it also has Max 10 BMC for outband telemetry, and also it has dual SIMs as PCIe Gen4 X8. It also comes with a stiffener and enclosure case. These are the accessories that we'll be providing. This is the power connector coming along the SmartNIC card. This is the power supply, 12 volt 5 amps. This is the QSFP-DD connector. So this and this will be provided on request. Thank you for watching the video. Please contact iWave's sales team and technical team for more details, as well as visit the website, and stay tuned for the upcoming videos.